When it comes to window replacement, choosing the right material for your home is crucial, especially in regions with extreme climates like Mesa, Arizona. The intense heat during summer and cooler nights in the winter require materials that can handle temperature fluctuations while providing energy efficiency. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old windows, understanding which materials are best suited for Mesa's hot, dry climate can save you money in the long run by improving your home's insulation and energy efficiency. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are one of the most popular choices for homeowners in Mesa. This is largely due to their durability, energy efficiency, and relatively low cost. Made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, vinyl windows are resistant to cracking, fading, and warping, which makes them an ideal choice for the hot and dry conditions of Mesa. These windows also offer excellent insulation properties, which can help to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and reduce energy consumption. In addition to being energy efficient, vinyl windows require very little maintenance. Unlike wood windows, which need regular painting and sealing, vinyl windows only need occasional cleaning to maintain their appearance. This is a major advantage for Mesa homeowners who want to avoid constant upkeep in the scorching heat. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are another great option for Mesa's extreme temperatures. They are highly durable and energy efficient, providing better insulation than many other window materials. Fiberglass is known for its ability to withstand both extreme heat and cold, making it a perfect fit for Mesa's fluctuating climate. Fiberglass windows are also resistant to warping, cracking, and expanding, even under high heat, ensuring that they remain in top condition for years. Additionally, fiberglass windows are strong and can be designed with narrower frames, offering more glass area and better views. While they come at a higher upfront cost compared to vinyl, their long-term energy savings and low-maintenance nature make them a worthwhile investment for homeowners seeking durability and performance. Aluminum windows with a thermal break. Aluminum windows are known for their sleek, modern look and are often chosen for their strength and longevity. However, in hot climates like Mesa, traditional aluminum windows can have a significant downside: they conduct heat easily. This means that they can allow heat to enter your home, leading to higher cooling costs in the summer. To address this issue, aluminum windows with a thermal break have been developed. These windows feature a plastic section between the inside and outside of the frame that prevents heat transfer, improving their energy efficiency. While aluminum windows with a thermal break can still be a bit more expensive than vinyl or fiberglass, they are an excellent option if you're looking for a low-maintenance, long-lasting solution that balances style with energy efficiency. Wood-clad windows. For those looking for a more traditional aesthetic, wood-clad windows provide the warmth and beauty of wood on the interior with the protection of durable, low-maintenance materials on the exterior. These windows feature a wood frame inside the house, while the outside is protected by a layer of fiberglass, aluminum, or vinyl, making them ideal for Mesa's climate. Wood-clad windows provide excellent insulation, keeping your home cooler during the summer and warmer in the winter. While they do require more maintenance than vinyl or fiberglass options, their ability to add character to your home can make them a worthwhile choice for homeowners looking for both style and performance. Composite windows. Composite windows combine the best features of wood and vinyl, offering the beauty of wood with the durability of low-maintenance materials. These windows are made from a blend of wood fibers and resins, making them highly resistant to temperature changes, moisture, and insects, issues that can be problematic in the desert climate. Composite windows are energy efficient and have strong insulating properties, which help to regulate indoor temperatures. They are also low maintenance, meaning you won't need to worry about painting or sealing them. While they may come at a higher initial cost compared to other materials, the long-term benefits of energy savings and durability make them a solid choice for homeowners in Mesa. Conclusion. Selecting the right window replacement material for Mesa's climate is key to improving energy efficiency, maintaining comfort, and reducing long-term maintenance costs. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are great for homeowners who prioritize low maintenance and energy efficiency, while aluminum windows with thermal breaks offer a balance of strength and performance. For those who love the aesthetic appeal of wood, wood-clad and composite windows are excellent options that offer both style and functionality. Whatever your preference, choosing the right window material can help make your home more comfortable and energy efficient year-round in Mesa's challenging climate.